Hey y'all, it's Rose and I am back with another video, and today I'm going to teach you 4 credit builders that you can add to your credit to boost your scores 100 points in just 30 days. So make sure you stay tuned to the end because I'm going to be giving you guys a 3-day free trial for my disputing credit repair class where you get one-on-one help from me to teach you how to fix your credit. Make sure you guys watch to the end because I'm going to teach you how you can report your rent on your credit to help boost your credit scores and also backdate your credit history. If you've been renting for 2 years, you can literally sign up and backdate and have 2 years of credit history just from reporting your rent. So make sure you stay to the end so I can give y'all the coupon code to sign up with them. All right, y'all. So today I'm going to teach y'all how you can boost your credit in the next 30 days. So if you need to build your credit scores up for whatever type of financing that you need to get, basically what you can do is add a credit builder account. And to explain to you what a credit builder is, it's just an account you're going to add on your credit to show, hey, I'm being financed by a company and I'm paying them back on time. I have good payment history and I don't owe them any money. So when you're rebuilding your actual credit, that's why you're adding those credit builders, because it's going to help boost your scores up while you're in that process of disputing to remove whatever is negative that you need to take off of your actual credit report. So without further ado, I'm going to get straight into to let you guys know what my top 4 credit builders are. All of these will report on your credit within 30 days, and roughly each one can boost you up about 20 to 30 points. So just to give y'all a little background, everybody doesn't always have bad credit. My first suggestion is for my people who have credit cards, I don't want you to add credit builders. I want you to focus on your current utilization. Sometimes you may think you have bad credit when really you just need to pay your credit cards down. So make sure that every credit card you have, you're paying that down to 30% usage or less. So for example, if you have a credit card with a $1,000 limit, you want to get that down to $300 once your payment is due, because anytime you go over that 30% usage, that will cause your credit score to drop. So if you currently have credit cards, don't add credit builders. Put all your funds on paying down those balances. This is strictly for people who are looking to build and rebuild their actual credit. And our first, and to me right now is one of my number 1 credit builders, is going to be Kovo. Kovo is a great option for anybody who needs to boost their credit up within the next 30 days. It is only $10 a month. So you're paying $10 a month and it's going to report on your credit. And it's just going to show again that positive payment history, showing that you are paying them on time. And a great option about Kovo as well is that they actually have a bunch of different modules that you can look over that gives you different credit education on how you can build your credit, build your business, structure it, all type of great details, everything related to finance. So my number 1 credit builder recommendation to start out is going to be Kovo because it is at an affordable price, reports in 30 days, and you'll roughly get about a 20-30 point boost from adding it. I'll be sure to add the link in the description for you guys for Kovo so you can sign up today. And make sure you make a reminder for any credit builders that you're adding when your due date is. If you're not going to put it on auto pay, please make that reminder so you make sure you're paying your credit builders on time, because this is not something that's optional. Once you sign up and it is added to your actual credit report, you need to pay that on time so you don't get a late payment. And if at any time you decide you don't want the account anymore, please call them to close the account out. Don't just let it go into collections. You can call and just close it out at any time. So our credit builder number 2 is going to be my triple threat self lender. I love, love, love self lender, and I'm going to tell you why. You have 3 great options with self lender as far as building your credit. So you're going to sign up today for $9, and I'll be sure to put the $9 link in the description so you can get that today. Once you sign up for $9, you're going to choose what monthly plan you're going to pay. So with self lender, you're pretty much paying yourself and you're getting all of that money at the end of that plan. So you can start as low as $25. You sign up for the $25 a month plan. It is going to be for 24 months. And at the end of that 24 months, you're getting all of your money back. But the third great option is after you make 3 to 4 on-time payments, they're going to offer you their secured credit card. So for my people who need to reestablish credit, you're literally getting 2 accounts for the price of one, and you only have to sign up for $9 today and just do the $25 a month. So it's a no-brainer. Once the secured credit card reports on your credit as well, you're going to get an additional score boost. So with adding the builder account, you get a 30-point boost. And then once you add their secured credit card, you'll also get another boost from adding that. So you're continuing to build your credit and you get all your money back at the end. So if you guys have not already, please sign up for Self Lender. I will link it in the description and I'll also be sure to attach it above. And last but not least, I want to encourage you guys, if you have the funds, get a secured credit card with your current bank or credit union. That's always going to be a great way to boost your credit scores within the next 30 days and really build it up. Now, the great thing about this is after 3 to 6 months of on-time payments, as you're building your credit, they'll actually offer you a credit card where you'll actually get a credit limit. So if you haven't already, I would suggest you go ahead and contact your current bank or credit union. If you don't have one, Capital One is a great one to start out with. They're pretty easy. Most banks will approve anyone for a secured credit card, whether it's Navy Federal, Bank of America, Chase, Capital One. As long as you sign up and pay your minimum $200 to get started with them, you'll be able to get a secured credit card. So that is also a great option for you. Now, I just gave you guys 4 great options and 4 great credit builders on how you can boost your credit in the next 30 days over 100 points. And I just want to point out the main goal is you want to add your credit builders so that you can get in the 600s. Once you're in the 600s, as long as you have minimal inquiries and no charge-offs, that's when you can start to get new credit card approvals where they're actually give you a limit. So it is important to go through your credit repair process as well as add your credit builders to get you in the 600s so you can reach your next steps of being financed. That's our main goal. Our third option is going to be rent reporters. Now, the reason that I prefer them is you're able to actually report your current rent that you're paying on a monthly basis to your credit report to help boost your credit scores. This account will also report in 30 days and it'll give you roughly about a 30-point boost. And if you use my code ROSE25, you can sign up today for only $25 and then it is $8.95 a month for them to continue to report your rent every month. An important thing to know about rent reporters is, let's say you have been staying at your current home or apartment that you're renting for 1 year. They are going to contact whoever you're renting from and verify that you are the renter and the leaser on the lease. And as long as they can confirm that, you can automatically add 1 year of history to your credit report, depending on how long you've been living there, as soon as you sign up, because they're going to contact whoever you're leasing from, confirm how long you've been there, and that's the history they're going to start out reporting. So the day you sign up doesn't necessarily mean that's the day that they report from, because however long you've been there, they'll backdate it. So for my people who may have gone through credit repair, maybe you're just getting started with building your credit and you don't have a lot of history, this is a great way to actually report your rental history. It's no contract, no credit check, no type of additional fees at all. You pay $25 to sign up and then it's $8.95 a month from there. If you have a spouse or roommate, you can also report it for them as well for an additional $5 fee per month. And just to let you guys know, you must be on the lease in order for them to do this. It must be under your name. And if you're renting at an apartment or you're renting from a homeowner, they must be able to verify that information with the homeowner themselves. So it is a great option to build your credit, backdate your credit history, and report your rent all in one place. And if at any time you move, you can just give them your new renting information and they can continue to report it on a monthly basis. If you need help with disputing accounts on your credit report, whether it be collections, charge-offs, repos, medical bills, I host a live class every Tuesday at 7:30 Central PM where I will teach you how to fix your credit. So we'll get on Zoom. I'll share my screen with you. You'll give me your login details and I will pull up your credit report and go over each account with you one by one. I'll recommend the exact credit builders I think you should add. And then I will also show you everything you need to do to get your credit scores to a 650 or more within the next 3 to 6 months. So if you're interested, the class is $24.95 a month, the cheapest credit repair you'll ever get, and I'll be sure to link it above and in the description. Until next time. Thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.